Hello, in this video I will tell you how you can fix this error. When I go to my website or try to log in, I see this thing: you have been logged out of this site. This is because I have tried some wrong login attempts and I am logged out. So in this video we will see how we can fix this issue. As you know, we recently completed this WordPress security series. So here, as you know, we have set up the limit logins attempt and different security techniques. So after that you can be logged out of your website if you will try wrong logins. So to fix this, we will have to go to our web hosting. So here I have my cPanel logged in, and here in cPanel I will have to search for file manager. So here is the file manager, we can open it. So here I will have to go to my domain. So I am basically working on subdomain, so I will scroll down and find. So here is the subdomain where I am working, and here I will go to WP content plugins, and here you can see better WP security. So this is the solid security plugin that we set up. So this is locking us out, so we can just rename it. Maybe we can just add like this old or something. So like this, the plugin will be deactivated, and now we can come to the website and refresh. So here you can see it's working now. So let me just log into the website. So here I have logged in my website. If you don't remember the login, you can always log into the WordPress using your web hosting. And now if you will go back to the file manager and you will rename it again, and you will remove this old, then you will again be logged out because the plugin has that thing in the database. So you can wait a little bit, and once the timer runs out, because mostly it is like 15 minutes, so for 15 minutes you are logged out, and then you can log into your website, or you can also change your password. If you want to remove the value from the database, so you can log in without waiting. For that you can go to your cPanel again, and here you can search for PHP my admin, and here you can manage the databases. So here you can open the database that you want to edit. So first we will need to check which is the database. So for that we will go to the file manager, we will go back, and this was the domain where we are working currently. So here we will go to wp config file, we will edit it, and here you can see the database name, so I can copy it. Now go to the phpMyAdmin and open the database. So here is the database, we will open it, and here you will see lockouts. You can open it, and here you can see the lockout. So here you can see the date, and you can confirm it, and you can delete it. Now go back to the website and refresh. So here you can see the issue is fixed, and now if you want to change the password, you can obviously change it. So that's it for the video, and like this video, subscribe to my channel for more related videos. See you next time.